Today we're going to be making these healthy and delicious chocolate fudge banana muffins. First off, you're going to take some whole wheat flour and add in your cocoa powder. Also add in your instant coffee powder, salt, and the baking powder. And then you're going to mix everything up and set it aside. In another bowl, you're going to take your jaggery powder, egg or yogurt, and this is the coconut oil I'm using. You're going to add in your coconut oil and some vanilla extract. And then you're going to mix this till it is combined and the sugar has dissolved. Then to this mixture, you're going to add in your bananas and mix them until they are combined. Then add in your dry ingredients and mix them in just till they have incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. When the flour is halfway mixed, you're going to also add in your milk and mix it in. Be very gentle while doing this. And you can later switch to a spatula. Once you have mixed in the flour, you can add in your chocolate and mix it in throughout the batter. And your batter is ready. Then you're going to line a muffin tray with some muffin liners. And here I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop the batter into my muffin liners. And you want to fill them about 3/4 of the way full. Then bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them because you do not want to overbake these. Then place them on a wire rack to cool completely. You can even enjoy them warm right out of the oven because who doesn't like freshly baked warm muffins? These are so delicious, and you would not even think these are healthy because they are sinfully addicting. The texture of the cake in itself is quite dense and fudgy, as you can see here. And on the inside you have gooey, fudgy chocolate running around, and the banana in itself lends the muffin a nice fudgy texture. So go to your kitchen, grab some ingredients, and get baking! I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon with another recipe. Bye!